Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a new feature in the Job Sheet Center. With this update, you can upload your customer's car image and mark exactly where the defect or damage is. So these markings will also appear in the print and in the PDF. Let me show you how it works. First, go to the job sheet. You can add a new one or update the previous one. Go to this reception defect. So you will see an option to add an attachment. So click on it and upload the car image. Once the image is uploaded, you can mark the exact areas where there are defects or work needed. So after marking, just save this job sheet. So once it's done, click on this action and select view or PDF. You will now see the car image along with your markings. So this makes it very easy for both you and your customer to clearly understand the issues and record work. This will also be visible in this PDF. Thank you for watching.